So what exactly is Edline, you might be asking yourself? Edline is a learning content management system. Basically, as your school's public-facing website, it allows you to display traditional information such as calendar events, news items, newsletters, links to external websites, marketing material to attract prospective students, or any other information that you want the entire community to see. Or, for school or district users who activate an account, members log in for personalized shortcuts to classes, a combined calendar, and much more. And since members log into the site, the school can use visibility controls to display selected items to the school population that are meant for internal consumption only, while still showing the community what they need to see in public view. This flexibility in posting information and setting visibility controls allows schools and districts to save time by having just one website to accomplish all of their needs. Your district or school website will be easy to update, yet information is posted for the audience that needs to see it. A couple of clicks makes an item visible only to parents and employees, or, if necessary, to the public or anyone visiting the website to see. And when it comes to design, every school comes with the necessary tools to easily brand their site with a custom banner, school logos and colors, custom navigation menus, or a custom domain name. Moreover, Edline provides flexibility to change your design whenever you want to. And you can choose to do less work and use the same designs throughout the site, or you can allow classes and groups to change their own design to allow for more customization. Now that you know a little bit more about what Edline is, let's take a look at the basics of navigating your website and discuss the general components that make up an Edline site. Right now we're viewing this site just as a member of the public would. At the top of the page you'll notice the Edline menu bar. To the left of the bar you'll notice a Home button. Clicking the Home button opens the home page for your district or school website. Hovering over the Home button will display the complete list of contents on the website. Visitors will also see options to translate content on the website into various languages, share the page using social media buttons if the district or school enables this, access Edline help, and if they have an account at the district or school, they can sign in to see personalized shortcuts and school information. Once logged into the website, personalized drop-down menus will be available, making it easy for users to access their unique classes and groups, and you'll notice that content in the list changes depending on what user type they are. Also, what content the school or district chooses to show will have an impact on what a user sees when they log in. For example, you'll notice that when a user logs in, this school is displaying a staff announcement, "Preparation begins for state testing today." This was not visible when we visited the site as a member of the public would see it. The My Edline menu displays various submenus for My Classes and Shortcuts, My Content, and My Account sections. And if you're a teacher or a super user, additional tools are present to manage your own website. When navigating any Edline website, every page displays breadcrumbs or hyperlinks for quick navigation back to previously visited pages. This means that there is no need to use the browser back or forward buttons when you're logged into an Edline website. Now that you know your way around a little bit, let's discuss the four basic components of the Edline site: users, groups, documents, and folders. Users include anyone who has activated an account and signs in on a regular basis. The other three components are used to organize and display content on various pages within a school or district website. Let's take a look at how all these components fit together to make up your website. Groups are websites that represent organizations with members such as classes, clubs, sports, departments, or staff groups that have a website within your school or district website. By allowing these groups to have their own website on your site, the coach, moderator, or staff member is able to post their own items for members of their group, team, or club on their own website. Instead of reinventing the wheel, we've chosen to base our software structure on a model that represents the very order you've established in your own district. Instead of organizing the structure into buildings, offices, and classrooms, like we do in real life, in your website, we organize the structure into groups. For example, We have the district office located at the top, just like it is in your school system. Within the district group, you can also have groups for each of your district departments. Below the district group are the school groups. Since schools have departments like the district, you can create groups for those too. Within school groups, teachers, coaches, or any other staff member that need a site can be provided with a group as well. Edline makes it easy to distinguish between these group pages by naming them classes, clubs, sports, or activities. Finally, within the classroom group, teachers have the ability to add additional groups to the classroom for various class projects. If this seems simple, well, that's because it is. Using a website structure that resembles the organizational structure of your district just makes sense. Now that you understand the structure of the site, let's take a look at how content is organized and added. In Edline, think of folders as containers used to organize your content. Folders can hold documents for things like assignments or permission slips, groups for things like classes or clubs, and other folders, or all three. And don't worry, every new Edline site comes equipped with a default set of folders that will help you to begin organizing your content. When it comes to adding content to your site, documents are your primary building blocks. Some examples of documents include assignments, bus schedules, lunch menus, or any other item you want to make available on your website. To keep your content organized, be sure to store those documents in folders. So that wraps up the basics of Edline. Feel free to browse additional online help resources to learn how to begin working on your site.